As we've gone from a paper-based medical system to a digital-based medical system, I think we didn't understand how important the concept of usability was. To make electronic health records usable, we have to do three things. We have to focus much more on user-centered design. That's the principle of creating information technology systems that have the user in mind, and you have to focus on the user experience and watch users using the systems in order to get that right. We have to think a lot about alerts and alarms. It seems like a great idea to alert or alarm the doctor or nurse when anything is wrong or might go wrong, but we've learned that you can rapidly overwhelm people with false alerts, and then they stop paying attention. And the third thing is something called interoperability. That's a fancy word. It's the equivalent of me being able to stick my Bank of America card into a Citibank machine and get $200 out. We have to create a system where all the computers talk to each other so that patients' data flows seamlessly throughout the system where it needs to be.